Welcome back to Get It, the ultimate destination for unlocking financial freedom. I'm your host, Jay, and today we're diving into step 1, building a solid foundation. This step is crucial for laying the groundwork to achieve long-term financial success. So, let's get started. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's understand why building a solid foundation is so important. Just like constructing a building, a strong financial future requires a sturdy base. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on a weak foundation. It would crumble under pressure, right? The same principle applies to your finances. Without a solid foundation, you'll struggle to reach your goals and withstand unexpected challenges. But fear not. Building a solid foundation is within your grasp. We'll walk you through 3 fundamental pillars that will ensure your financial success: budgeting, emergency fund, and clearing debt. Let's start with budgeting. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your money. It allows you to know exactly where your hard-earned cash is going. Begin by listing your monthly income and then track your expenses. Categorize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Budgeting will not only help you save more but also give you control over your finances. The second pillar of our foundation is the emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having an emergency fund is essential to handle those rainy days. Whether it's a medical emergency, unexpected car repair, or sudden job loss, having a safety net will prevent you from falling into financial chaos. Lastly, we have the third pillar, clearing debt. Debt can weigh you down and prevent you from achieving true financial freedom. We understand that clearing debt can be challenging, but it's crucial to develop a plan to pay it off systematically. Explore strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your journey to debt-free living. Picture yourself living debt-free, with the weight lifted off your shoulders. It's an incredible feeling, and by tackling your debt, you're paving the way for a brighter financial future. So, remember, building a solid foundation is the first step towards financial freedom. Budgeting, creating an emergency fund, and clearing debt are the 3 pillars that will set you on the path to success. In the next video, we'll explore step 2, unlocking the secrets of saving and investing. Get ready to supercharge your financial growth. Thank you for joining us today on Get It. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update on your journey to financial success. Remember, building a solid foundation is just the beginning. Together, we'll transform your financial life, one step at a time. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep striving for greatness. I'll see you in the next video.